Hey there, intermediate students. I hope everyone is doing well today. We're going to correct our sentence before we start talking about what the rest of this class will look like. So the sentence says, is there foods at the wedding going to be good? Is there foods at the wedding going to be good? There are four mistakes in this sentence. So let's go ahead and correct them. We're going to start with the easiest, and that's going to be a question mark, not a period at the end. Okay. So is there foods at the wedding going to be good? Question mark. Okay. They're asking that question. You need to have a question mark. The second thing we're going to do is what we've talked about before. We're going to get rid of the gonna and we're going to put going to. Is there foods at the wedding going to be good? So is there foods at the wedding going to be good? The third thing we need to do is we need to change THERE. There means like over there. It's a location. It's a place. We need to change it to THEIR. So that shows ownership. It shows possession. Is their food at the wedding going to be good? And then finally, the last thing we need to do is, so usually in English, we need to add an S at the end of words when there are more than one. But there are some words that we don't do that with because English is sometimes stupid, okay? And food is one of those words. If we're talking about all this food, a lot of food, we still do not put an S, okay? So FOOD could mean one or it could mean many, okay? It depends on how you use it in a sentence. You do not put S, okay? Do not put S on food. Is there food at the wedding going to be good? That's it. Guys, it is Friday, August 28th. We are at the almost the second, or it is the second to last day of school in this month. I'm actually turning 30 tomorrow, so I feel really old. This is my last day in my 20s. I just don't know what to think about that. Announcements. We may have that quiz moved back. I'm still trying to debate in my head if we're going to do that on Wednesday or Friday. I will let you know on Monday. Do not worry. Okay. And then the quiz from Wednesday that you took is more than likely going to be graded today. I'm going to do my best to get those in the grade book. Our week ahead, we're going to do some vocab practice today. And we have two objectives. We're going to show our understanding of our vocab's application by completing a fill in the blank. You did this on the quiz, you did this on the practice, we know how to do this. And then we're going to use a real life application of biography and autobiography in a writing assignment. I know you talked about biography and autobiography yesterday in your exit ticket, but it's really important that you understand how these work. Our success criteria is the following. You're going to complete 12 fill in the blank questions. And then in your writing, you're going to need to have an intro and conclusion. You're going to need to have an opinion, give your opinion in this question. And then you're going to need to explain your answer using definitions. So I'll show you what that looks like in the next video. We're doing this because we need to know our vocab words. We need to know what different sources are. So stay tuned to the next video when I kind of talk about what your assignment is going to look like. All right, see you next slide.